Now, the streetcar has been operating in downtown Oranjestad on these rails for a few months now. So a lot of the locals as well as the tourists has been able to experience it, and if not, at least see it. A student who conducted a 3-year research on Mainstreet Oranjestad wrote his graduating thesis on how the area can get more locals and tourists to spend more money. Let's see the investigators' thoughts on the current operation of the streetcar in downtown Oranjestad. Kawish Misier wrote an extensive research thesis on Mainstreet. From the knowledge he gained about downtown, he has come to the opinion that perhaps efforts to revive Oranjestad could have started smaller.
One streetcar is $1.5 million. There's 4 streetcars, so $6 million, which equals 10 million florins. Well, that's a lot of money to attract visitors from the cruise area to the main street. I mean, in my opinion, they could start with better signage, more marketing, like electronic coupons, things that don't cost a lot of money, but still attract a lot of people.
With that being said, having a streetcar is one of a kind. On paper, this is a great sell to potential visitors. When tourists see the streetcar, the ride sells itself. It captures the attention of everyone. However, the streetcar has become more of a sightsee tour than a transport vehicle.
At this moment, you have, I think, 1 or 2 streetcars in operation. We're the only island in the Caribbean who has a streetcar, and we're the only country in the world which has a streetcar which runs on hydro fuel energy. So that's a good thing. So it's good for PR, but like if we look at the return on investment, it's one tram with 3 employees on it, 1 driver, 1 on the lower deck and 1 on the upper deck. And the one on the upper deck is he has a microphone and he's giving a tour. So when the tourists go on to the streetcar, they're attracted as if it's a sightseeing tour.
Kawish says it is irrelevant what he or the critics say or think about the streetcar now. Aruba has a streetcar system. This is a fact. The focus now needs to be what can the government and Mainstreet merchants do together in order to reap maximum benefits from this investment. The passengers need a reason to get off at the end of Mainstreet.
Well, now that it is there, I cannot change it. The rails is there, the trams are there, so what can we do to improve it? Well, I think we still need better signage, maybe also a sign in the tram that customers are aware where it's going to stop and that they have to get out of it. And at the tram stations, there should be activities, like something that triggers people to get off the tram. Some kind of decorations where people will get off to take pictures. If you combine it with free internet, they'll start taking pictures, upload it to Facebook. Maybe some refreshment opportunities, local snacks, local made arts and products. And if you have that at the end of the Kayagrani, people will get off.
There are small initiatives that can be taken to give the streetcar passengers a reason to get off. There can be photo opportunities, or the conductor on the microphone can simply announce that the streetcar will return to pick them up in 15 minutes. So the tourists who are foreign here to the island aren't under the impression that they will have to walk all the way back to the cruise terminal.